everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you a bronzy makeup look, like glow like a bronze goddess. So I have done this look using a foundation shade which is slightly darker than my own skin tone. Also in this video at the end I'm gonna show you how to paint your body according to your face color, and I have also highlighted my collarbones, which I really love. And yes, if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. So my skin is perfectly moisturized right now, and now I'm gonna apply an illuminator. So I have these two options for illuminator, and both of these are from Swiss Beauty. So this is basically a primer and highlighter as well, like the illuminator as well, and this is just an illuminator, and I don't want to apply both of them because I don't want to overdo, otherwise my foundation will break out. So I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna take a pump of this, like half a pump of this. And now for foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and this is my tan shade. So whenever you are doing a bronzy makeup, you have to use a foundation which is darker than your actual skin tone. And if you do not have a foundation which is your tan tone or like a shade darker, then you can use your regular foundation, and we can hide these things from bronzer. Now I'm gonna use my Damp Beauty blender. This one is from Color Bar. This is really very inexpensive, like just for rupees 180 and 190, but it works wonderful. So now you can clearly see the difference. My skin tone has changed to a shade darker. So with this concealer I'm not going to highlight everywhere, but just under my eyes, and with a very teeny amount. Like you can see, I have just put a dot, that's it. Alright, and now to set my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me powder, and I'm in the shade 15 Light. So I'm gonna take the product on this Damp Beauty blender, like very little, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes first. And I'm gonna take the powder on this beauty blender, dabbing off the excess, like on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna very lightly press it all over. And now I'm gonna quickly do my brows off the camera, and then I'll see you back. Alright guys, so my brows are done, and now it's time for the eyes, and for that I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Naked palette. So it has all the sorts of bronzy brown tones in this palette, and if I don't find any color in this palette, which is not possible, there are every color that I need in for this eye look, then I'm gonna use this one. This is from Nicka K in the variant Mocha. So this has also all the sorts of brown and bronze in it. So first for my transition, I'm gonna use this color Naked from this Urban Decay palette. So you can use any blending brush for that, and starting from the outer corners, I'm just gonna define my crease and just a little above. I'm gonna use this shade Buck from the same palette. So it is slightly darker than the one that I've used as my transition shade, and I'm gonna take it and apply a little below, like on my crease particularly. So now you can clearly see the difference. So now you can leave your eyes like this only, but I'm gonna take a little darker color than this one, which I can find in this Nicka K palette. So this is like a chocolatey brown color, and I'm gonna take the same brush. I have used the same brush throughout, and I'm just gonna concentrate on my outer corners. Like I'm just pressing my brush over here, and I'm gonna do the same here as well. Like just tap. And now again wiggling my brush like this, so I have no color on, and I'm just gonna diffuse this outer color like this. I'm not taking it everywhere, but just making a V for this, like just this one, and doing the same here as well, just making V. I'm not spreading this color everywhere, but just on the outer corners. For glitter, I'm gonna take this Half Baked and this Smoke. I'm gonna mix these two. And now I'm gonna take the same brown color to my lower lash line as well. Alright guys, and now it's time for the main part of the video, which is to bronze up your face, and we are going to bronze up heavily. And for that I'm going to use this Sephora palette and this bronzer. So there is no precision at all, just roughly I'm gonna bronze up. So this whole look depends on how you bronze your face. So this is a sort of, your face must look like sun-kissed, like it is tanned. So I'm gonna use a lot of bronzer. So for blush, I have the Savannah palette and I have this shade of blush which is very pretty. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow as my highlighter because I don't have any golden sort of highlighter, so I'm gonna use that. Now for this whole bronzy look, I'm gonna go in with this color from Smashbox, and this is their Stepping Out, and this is a very warm tone nude color which will go well with this look. But first I'm gonna contour my lips using a brown colored lip liner. And now just to match this tone, like my neck is looking different from my face, I'm gonna add little foundation here as well. You just need the same foundation shade that you have used for your face, like this, and you just need to dot it like this. So it's better if you work with a big brush, that will be like easy to blend and quick to blend. Like now you can see it is the exact match of my skin tone. So this is how you paint your body as well. Now it all looks one. And then I'm gonna highlight my collarbones, like you can see this. For that, first I'm just gonna use the same highlighting stick, and you can just do like this thing and you can clearly see your collarbones. And I'm just gonna apply this highlighter here, so you can see how much difference does it make. It just instantly make your collarbones pop. Alright guys, so that's it with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and this video is kind of helpful for you all because I really love this bronzy makeup look. So if you like this video, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I'll see you in my next video.